Hey guys, this is Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sail and Ski. Come check out this boat with me.
This is the Sea Ray SDX 290 Runabout. Some of its standard features include a built-in insulated bow cooler, an integrated removable cooler, fold-down entry step for easy access to and from the boat, a wet bar, lockable floor storage, smart craft diagnostics and gauges, bow block-off door. This boat comes with the Platinum trim package and a premier stereo upgrade. The enclosed head compartment has an upgraded interior and vacuum flush and holding tank. Reclining aft-facing transom loungers make anchoring in your favorite cove comfortable and fun. Some important safety features include docking lights, windlass with galvanized anchor, onboard battery charger with dual battery switches. This boat is equipped with a water sports tower and bimini top, blue LED lighting package with through hull underwater lighting, a digital dash vessel link with 12-inch touchscreen for easy access to your boat's high-tech command center. This boat is powered by an ECT 8.2-liter MAG DTS Bravo3, 380 horsepower, built for performance on the water. This boat has a fold-down submersible swim platform and sea deck throughout. If you're looking for an easy way to get your family and friends out on the water or to even spend a weekend on the water, this boat might be for you.
Thanks for joining me on this boat walkthrough. If you're interested in this model or any other boats in our inventory, you can visit us at our website or come visit at any one of our 3 locations in Austin, San Antonio, and Lakeway. This is Bonnie, and I will see you at the lake.